Yes, this is me, Dr. Ernesto Gonzalez, being the division head at Florida National University. We have had a very good experience using that technology tools, and that's very helpful for the students. That's the reason we are getting back to you again to continue using it. So very enhancing for the students and very convenient for both the instructor and students at the same time. Oh, yes, 100%. The students are more engaged and the students are motivated to do the assignments and activities, the labs, everything. That is great. That is a very, let's say, it's a huge support because they can see um, details about technology applications. They can get skills, and then it's for them more convenient because they have a better understanding and comprehensions about everything they are learning. Yes, sure. Yes, I would.